In this video, we will discuss about message credibility. So at first, what is credibility? Credibility means trustworthiness and competence. Before the audience accepts any message, he will judge whether the communicator and the organization the individual represents can be relied upon and is complete enough to give the information. Message credibility is an individual's judgment of the veracity of the content of communication system. According to Flanagan and Metzger, credibility of a message can be defined as the extent to which a message is perceived as believable, reliable, and trustworthy, and is primarily by the quality of the argument used in the message. Now the question is how we can check that the source is credible or not. Simply ask yourself the following questions. Who published it? Why did they write it? When was it written? Who is the intended audience of the source? Who wrote it? etc. According to Klein, there are two types of message credibility. First is formative and the second one is reflective. In formative type, the first indicator is quality. The message have to be clear, complete, comprehensive, concise, consistent, detailed, transparent, well presented, and well written. The second indicator is expertise. Here we have to focus on the following components, that is endorsed by which expert, the impact of the message, is it professional or not. The third formative indicator is fairness. The message must be balanced, unbiased, equal, fair, neutral, objective, not opinioned, representative, and spin free. In reflective type, we have to evaluate the following things. That is, the message must be accurate, error free, true, authentic, believable, reliable, authoritative, reputable, and trustworthy. Now the question is how we can develop our credible behavior as a person. We can build it by our honesty, devotion, punctuality, good example, ethical behavior, taking responsibility for behavior, keeping promises, forgiving and understanding, getting involved, focusing on the positive. But beside this, we have to be very careful about the following behavior because that might destroy our credibility, such as dishonesty, lack of devotion, no concern for time, setting a bad example, unethical behavior, breaking promises, denying responsibility for behavior, unforgiving, not involved, and focusing on the negative. Information on social media platforms suffer from a relative lack of professional gatekeepers to monitor content. How to evaluate the information credibility on social media platform has become an important issue for today's information consumer. So, what is media credibility? Media credibility refers to the perceived believability of the media content beyond any proof of its contention. Media credibility research has shifted the focus from characteristics of individual personal sources to characteristics of media behavior such as objectivity, accuracy, fairness, and lack of bias. Why credibility matters in media? Media occupies a significant part of people's daily lives. It significantly impacts the social construction of reality, the shape of public consciousness, and the direction of socio-political change. Therefore, media's credibility is as important as the message itself. Television viewers find hard news more credible than soft news. The credibility assigned to different media varies by race and gender of news consumer. Communication to be successful must be target oriented. Response of the audience is the ultimate objective of any communication function. How to improve credibility in media? Messages which are relevant, interesting, useful, profitable, credible, that is latest and based on research findings, and complete, that is neither too much nor too little, are likely to motivate the people. A good message clearly states what to do, how to do, when to do, and what would be the result. So we must have to focus on that. Now try this. What signs indicate that a source is credible and what signs are not credible? How to evaluate or measure the sources for credibility of the message? Describe the components of message credibility. What makes a trustworthy news source? Why is credibility a critical aspect of social media?